In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site title right next to your logo in Squarespace. This is a great way to not only enhance your site's branding, but also to provide a cohesive, polished look that instantly clicks with your audience. First things first, let's start by opening up the design settings. If you're not logged into Squarespace yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, navigate over to the design section on your dashboard. From there, you'll want to look for and select Site Styles. This is your gateway to all things design and layout on your site, so it's definitely a place where you'll be spending some time. Next up, we want to enable the option to have the logo and title displayed together. To do this, you'll need to click into the header section within the site styles. Now, this is where you might have to do a little bit of searching. Look for something that resembles site title and logo, or it might be labeled more simply as show site title with logo. Once you've found it, make sure to toggle it on. This is the crucial step that allows the title to live side by side with your brand's logo. With that setting turned on, it's time to position the title correctly. Staying in the header layout area, you'll have a couple of style options. What you're looking for is an inline layout, which is usually the one that places the title neatly beside your logo. If you notice it's looking a bit cramped or maybe too spaced out, don't worry. You can adjust the spacing, padding, and margins right from this section to your liking. Feel free to play around until it feels just right. Now, let's make sure your text styling aligns with your overall brand aesthetics. To do this, return to the design menu, then revisit Site Styles. Look for Site Title within those options. This is where you can have some fun customizing the font type, size, color, and even the letter spacing. It's a fantastic opportunity to ensure that your site's typography is consistent with the rest of your branding elements. Once you're satisfied with your settings and you feel like everything is reflecting your brand in the best possible light, don't forget to hit save in the top left corner. It's a simple but often overlooked step. After saving, make sure to refresh your live site to see these changes in action. You'll now have a beautifully aligned logo and site title on your site, giving your visitors a seamless, professional experience. And that's it. With a few tweaks here and there, you can significantly elevate the presentation of your site's header. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time with more tips to enhance your Squarespace site.